Welcome back. Let's practice multiple choice questions from NCERT school books. Consider the following assertion, A, and reason, R, and choose the correct code. Assertion, A. The Charter of 1853 further extended the machinery of legislation. Reason, R. The strength of the Legislative Council became 9 under this Act. Codes. A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true, but R is false. D. A is false, but R is true. Answer is option C. Assertion A is true, but reason R is false. In order to strengthen the legislative machinery, the Charter Act of 1853 was enacted. Under the new Act, the Governor-General's Council, when acting in its legislative capacity, was enlarged by the addition of 6 new members. Out of these 6 members, one was to be an official representative from each of the 4 provinces, viz., Madras, Bombay, Bengal and Northwest provinces, the Chief Justice and puisne Judge of Supreme Court, and a Commander-in-Chief. Thus, the strength of Legislative Council became 12. Consider the following statements with respect to the Act of 1858. 1. It abolished the Board of Directors and the Board of Control and vested their powers in one of Her Majesty's Secretary. 2. The Governor-General and Governors of the Presidencies were to be appointed by the Secretary of State. 3. Appointments to the Covenanted Civil Service were not to be made through open competition. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 2 and 3, B. Only 1, C. 1 and 2, D. 1, 2 and 3. Answer A. Statements 2 and 3 are incorrect with respect to the Act of 1858. In 1858, the British Crown took over the rights of the company's government in India to its own hands. Therefore, this Act brought substantial changes in the constitutional setup. Under this Act, the Governor-General and Governors of the Presidencies were to be appointed by the Crown. However, the members of the Governor-General's councils were to be appointed by Secretary in State. Under this Act, the Covenanted Civil Services were to be made through open competitive examinations with the assistance of Civil Service Commission. Thank you and practice more number of multiple choice questions to get good clarity on each topic.